On today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to go over today. Yesterday, we did some light reading concerning our favorites.by contract and actually importing our favorite number from that contract and how we went about that. So you can see here, this is our terminal. You can see everything went through successfully. Let's walk through the steps of everything that's going on. So first, we see we have our favorites contract equals boa.load favorites.by. This is how we loaded our favorite.by contract or our favorites.by file into our contract. You say starting favorite number equals favorite contract retrieve function. So we actually going to retrieve our favorite number from the favorites.by file and store it in this variable here of starting favorite number. Then we're going to say print using f string of starting favorite number is. And we're going to pass in that variable of starting favorite number, which holds our retrieve favorite number from our favorites.by contract. And that should be it with that. And then we're going to start a new process saying print storing number. We're going to say favorites contract dot store 33 because we're going to be storing a new number of 33, and that's why I stopped it at. I left everything else commented out because I didn't want to go over the whole thing in one chunk. We're going to break it down into sections. So we come down, you can see here we have our starting favorite number is 7. As you can see, this is our variable starting favorite number. That's passed in as a variable to our print f string to starting favorite number is. You see starting favorite number is, and 7 is the favorite number that we stored in our favorites.by file. That's why it's 7. And then you see storing number here, storing number, and that's where it stops at because we just stored our new favorite number of 33, but we didn't actually print it out. That's why you don't see it here in our contract. So we just gearing it up to get ready to get printed out when we uncomment out the rest of the code. And we'll do that tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.